Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of plumbing. And let me tell you, this isn't about leaky faucets and running toilets. We're going deep, folks, uncovering the top 5 clever plumbing features every home. I don't care if it's a bungalow or a mansion, absolutely must have. We're talking about upgrades that'll save you money on your bills, prevent those nasty surprises that make you want to sell your house, and frankly just make your life a whole lot easier. You know, I believe in doing things right the first time, and that's what these features are all about. So grab a pen and paper, because you're going to want to take notes on this one. Let's get started. First up, we're ditching those old bulky water heaters and upgrading to tankless. Now, a tankless water heater, also known as an on-demand water heater, is a game changer. Instead of constantly heating and reheating a tank full of water, a tankless unit only heats water when you need it. That means you're saving energy, which means you're saving money on your bills every single month. Plus, you'll never run out of hot water again. Think about it. No more cold showers in the middle of winter because the kids used up all the hot water. No more waiting around for the tank to refill before you can hop in for a relaxing soak. A tankless water heater provides endless hot water on demand and takes up a fraction of the space. It's a no-brainer for any homeowner looking for efficiency and convenience. Next up, we're talking about preventing those disastrous leaks that can cost you thousands of dollars in damage. I've seen it a million times, folks, and trust me, it's not pretty. That's where smart leak detectors come in. These handy devices are like little guardians for your home, constantly monitoring for any signs of leaks or moisture. The beauty of these detectors is they catch leaks early on before they have a chance to cause serious damage. We're talking about a small drip under the sink that you might not even notice, or a pinhole leak in a pipe hidden behind the wall. These detectors will send an alert straight to your phone so you can address the issue before it turns into a major headache. Believe me, a little prevention goes a long way when it comes to plumbing. Now let's talk about convenience and hygiene. Touchless faucets are becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. They're incredibly easy to use. Simply wave your hand under the faucet to start and stop the water flow. But it's not just about convenience. Touchless faucets are also more hygienic, especially in households with young children. Think about all the germs that can spread through touching faucet handles. With touchless faucets, you eliminate that risk entirely. Plus, they look sleek and modern, instantly upgrading the look of your kitchen or bathroom. It's a win-win for both style and functionality. Now, let's talk about a topic that doesn't get enough attention: hard water. If you live in an area with hard water, you know it can wreak havoc on your pipes, appliances, and even your skin and hair. That's where a water softener system comes in. This unsung hero removes those hard water minerals, like calcium and magnesium, that can build up and cause all sorts of problems. With a water softener, you'll notice a big difference in your water quality. Your skin and hair will feel softer, your dishes will come out of the dishwasher sparkling, and your appliances will last longer. Trust me, investing in a water softener is a decision you won't regret. Finally, let's talk about saving water and money with dual flush toilets. These eco-friendly fixtures give you 2 flush options: a half flush for liquid waste and a full flush for solid waste. Now, you might not think a little change like this would make a big difference, but over time, those water savings really add up. Plus, it's an easy way to reduce your environmental impact without sacrificing performance. Dual flush toilets are becoming increasingly common in new homes, but they're also a relatively easy upgrade for older homes. So if you're looking for a simple way to save water and money, look no further than the dual flush toilet. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 clever plumbing features every home must have. Remember, investing in your home's plumbing is investing in your peace of mind. These upgrades will not only improve your home's functionality and efficiency, but they'll also give you that sense of pride that comes with knowing your home is built right. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home improvement tips. See you next time.